Hi, short video to show you condition of this slimline portable shark vacuum cleaner. This is model WV362UKT 26. It's in navy blue. It's in full working order. It's been fully cleaned. It does have dust in tight places. It has two brand new HEP filters. One's inserted. The battery lasts 16 minutes out of 20, so that's good. And I'll just show you it all working. I'll try to put this together one-handed. Never remember what way you go. Do you pull it or press it? I can put the phone down a second. It is pull this back to close it. Push it forwards to open it. So you can charge this two ways. You can plug the charger into the back here and then into the wall, and the vacuum will stand like that and charge, or you can plug the charger, same charger, into here and charge it. So this is what it looks like, all connected. I'll just turn it on quickly. It's on its base. So it's in full working order. As you can see, it does have used slight scratch marks and dust in tight places, but it's in good working order. And if you buy another battery, while this battery is on charge, you can put another battery in here, not included, and it will charge that at the same time. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.